All right. Hey guys, my name is David Daugherty. I'm a sophomore global business and marketing double major here at Cedarville. And I hail from Dallas, Texas, but I currently live in Rogers Hall. And so right behind me here is Rogers Hall. It is actually connected to Marshall and Carr, two other dorms on campus. However, colloquially on campus, they refer to this whole building as the Hill. So that'll be important for when you get here. But they're technically three different dorms, and so I will show you around. Now through here is the atrium between Rogers and Marshall. And we have IDs to scan into every building, especially the residential buildings. And so through here, basically, what makes this area unique, or Rogers, I guess, is that we are one hall, even though we have two separate floors because we're smaller than most of the buildings. So we have one RA, actually. And so up here, got the bathroom, which I guess somebody's showering, so I won't show you that one, but there's actually two. So that's nice. Through here, we've got the laundry room. Now that's the nice thing about Rogers, is that we have our own laundry room, which generally people in the Hill would have to go to Marshall, which is over there through those doors, in order to do their laundry. But here we kind of keep it quiet, but we have our own laundry room, which is nice. You just have to go upstairs. And so I will take you back downstairs. There's a lot of, it's kind of midday, so there's a lot of people going about doing their thing, so you'll see a little bit of what things are like here. Yeah, the thing about dorm life, especially having two separate floors, I guess, is that dorm life's what you make it. And so it's never been a problem having two separate floors, really. We have a lot of hall unity nonetheless. Through here, we have the bathroom that is on my floor. Yeah, so you've got just a number of showers and a couple of stalls. There's almost never a wait unless it's Sunday morning and everyone's rushing to church. And through here, we actually have our study lounge. It's the overflow room, but it's where we do all of our hall activities. There is a main lounge and atrium in between Marshall and Carr over there, on the all the way through Marshall, but that's kind of far removed, so you won't see it in this video, but I recommend you go check out Marshall's video or Carr's video in order to see that. Over there we have access to TVs, couches, I guess pool, and a kitchen actually, and I'll touch on that in a second. But we actually have a student who can't take stairs right now, and so he just moved in today, so I won't show you the lounge, but that's where we do all of our hall activities and everything. That's our lounge, if you will. It's not co-ed, neither is the atrium between Rogers and Marshall, so keep that in mind. Down here, we've got my room. And so as you can see, rooms are pretty normal. Pretty straightforward. They are what you make of them as well. I'll say that again. You come with two beds bunked. I am not sure if we're allowed to bunk our beds, but with the amount of room in here, obviously you'd want to keep them bunked, so keep that in mind. We got two dressers, two desks, and two, I guess, closets. And so, yes, those all come standard with the room. You'll probably want to bring a fridge or a water purifier or some sort of kind of miniature kitchen setup. My roommate and I don't really cook much food in the dorm, so we didn't bother to bring a microwave, but I know people who've brought microwaves. I've even seen a rice cooker, a popcorn popper. Definitely check with the rules to know what's allowed, what isn't before you make any purchase decisions. Also, check with your roommate so you don't show up and have two fridges or two microwaves, but again, you can choose to decorate or not decorate at your choice. I kind of scaled it back, Texas flag, all that. Remember, no nails in the walls. That one has come up before, so stick to command strips. But Yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed this tour and that it's been insightful to some degree as to kind of where Rogers fits into the general ecosystem of dorms and how we have a very hall-style dorm that is pretty straightforward and has all the amenities you could need. I guess one thing that I should touch on before I sign off, I guess, is that we do have access to a kitchen in Marshall in the lounge. It doesn't have an oven, so it's not too incredibly useful, but I don't know if I would trust 200 plus guys with a oven anyways. But we do have some grills out back as well, which we've used for steaks and hamburgers and such, and so that's always a good time. So yeah, I recommend that you guys choose Rogers. It is a chill dorm. If you want to get your homework done and go to sleep on time and have a great hall unity, then this is the place I'd recommend. So thank you again.